it's me for Sajaman. Today's video will be how you can download a WP form or WordPress WP form, and you can easily download WP form from my website. You just going to foisaljaman.com. This is actually my website, and search on actually click this button that is a post section, and here as you can see this is a WP form. Actually, if you don't found the WP form and you just search on this search bar, that would be WPForms forms, and search on actually it's not showing sorry, I'm really very sorry. WP forms, this was the typo mistake, and this is the WP form, and you just click this WP form, and sometime it open ad from another tab. You just skip the ad, so don't worry about it. And these are the WP form, these are the desired actually plugin. Actually click this download, scroll the page and click the button that is download here, and it will take few seconds, that is 15 seconds. Actually you need 15 seconds, and you can read the WP form, why need actual WP form. I just explain about it, and it will take it already been done, and it will automatically redirect the next page, that is the last step. So here actually need that will actually need a 15 seconds for you from you, and this is actually last step. So in the meantime, if you are not in join my Facebook group, you just going to my contact page, contact button, and just click this join now Facebook group, and it will automatically redirect to this page, and you can join now button. Okay, already been downloaded. As you can see, this is the WP form is downloading. It's downloaded. Just only need two step here. As you can see, I just need for two step, 15 seconds and 50 seconds, then you can download the plugin. Okay, plugin or theme or element or template kit. Later I will give you the free element or template kit for you. That will be here will available pre-made header, footer, FAQ section, team section, all those part kit will provide you for free. So it will reduce your time when you design WordPress or Elementor website, and it will reduce your time. Okay, lastly I will announce to you, that is if you need WP form license key, so I will provide you the Elementor I will provide actually WP form license key very cheap rate for you. So if you need, actually you just contact with me direct contact with me on WhatsApp. Just click this WhatsApp button, I will contact with you, and you can contact with me on email. So you can all access are available. You just contact with me, so that would be very helpful for you, because if your client actually very cheaper, and that time that would be that if you reduce the client money, and client will very happy, and next time client will hire you, or more and more, and hire you. So that would be possibility to fix client for you, and you can do it by just contact with me, and I will provide you license key for cheap rate. So if you think this video is very helpful, just contact you just comment to my YouTube channel, and share this video for your friends and family. Actually they actually need this kind of plugin, theme, or element or template kit, and they can help from my YouTube channel. So why you waste your time? See you in the next video. Thank you very much.